for tuning in. Today's video is the November BoxyCharm unboxing and demo. So let's just go on ahead and open. Oh, hello card. And this is the inside. Let's just take a look at the card. Gold Digger. We got a bunch of fun products in here. First product we got is the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. This retails for $44, which is more than what you pay for this box alone. Such a good deal. I'm a huge fan of Cover FX. I first tried Cover FX through BoxyCharm and I've just been hooked ever since. I don't own these actually. I have tried them multiple times in Sephora and Ulta. Also, I normally use more powder highlighters than liquids, so could be a little messy. We might be looking like a gold shiny Tin Man. Oh yeah, and I'll do a swatch after we just do like a run through of our products. The next product we got is the Ace Beauté Grandoise. Leave me alone. I know I butcher things and I'm so sorry, I can't help it. And this retails for $24.99. I have not heard of this brand before, but I'm super excited, even though I feel like we've gotten so many eyeshadow palettes in BoxyCharm this year, so I'm kind of burnt out on palettes, but I'm kind of like, it's a new brand, I want to see what they're about, and that's what BoxyCharm is about, you know, testing out new products, seeing what you like, you don't like. It says featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold matte shades. And then we got the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. This retails for $21. If you want to look at it, you paid for these babies and you got everything else in the box for free. I'm a huge fan of Luxie brushes. I have received so many in BoxyCharm and in my Ipsy, and I just can't get enough. Their brushes are just so good. Here, I have one like right here. Like, they're just so dense, the bristles don't come flying out, and it just feels so good on the eye, and it blends out your eyeshadow so good. Probably my favorite brushes that I own are their crease brushes, because it's just like, I feel like I can create like any look with their brushes like effortlessly, whether it's a neutral or colorful or whatever I'm going for. And every time I get them in a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy, I'm just like, yes, I can't get enough of them. If we got Luxie brushes in every box, I would be so happy. And I'm loving the gold. Like, I love how like all these items are kind of like gold or have gold on them. That's sticking to like the gold theme. And then we got, oh, another name to butcher, Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Okay, and it retails for $5. Interesting. I wonder if it's like a drugstore brand or it's just an affordable eyeliner. I haven't heard of this, so I'm really excited to see how this works on the upper and lower lash line. If you watch my videos, you know I'm afraid of false lashes. This might be the day we actually just try them and see. So if they are all over my eyes, not how they're properly supposed to be on, please forgive me in advance, because I have never like really attempted false lashes. For me, you know, I have hooded eyes and I always feel like they make my eyes look really small with overemphasizing on the lashes. I've already applied some foundation on the face. I'm gonna just bronze and blush really quick, so I'm gonna go in with the Balm Cosmetics bronze. lashes, an eyeliner, eye brushes, and an eye palette. I do like to see some variety in my BoxyCharm boxes, but of course, this stuck to a theme, so I really like that. For me, I would have liked to see maybe like a face primer or like a lip product. I did like how we received the Cover FX drops as a face product. I really liked how it applied on my cheekbones, and I'm just really excited to have a bottle of my own. All of their shades that they have in this formula are so pretty, so I'm just like, I want to go out and get the others really, really bad. And I love Cover FX as a brand so much. For the first product of trying from Ace Beauté, I really like the palette. I swatched all 8 shades and I really liked how they performed by a swatch. But Cinnamon definitely blended out so beautifully, as well as Poppy on the outer corner, and I ended up bringing it into the crease later. Rose was definitely a pretty shade to put all over your lid, and I liked how Jasmine is making my inner corners pop. Of course, I love my Luxie brushes so much. I use 3 out of 4 to create the eye look I have on right now. Definitely the 121 mini tapered was my favorite because I love a good crease brush, but also the 131 mini angled. It really helps your outer V for your outer corners so much. And then I went in with the 111 mini flat angled to smoke out my lower lash, which I really liked. I did not use the 141 mini round, but it looks like it's a good brush to smudge. Like if I would have just applied the eyeliner and just smudged it, I think this would have done a really good job as well. I honestly did not hate the false lashes. It just looks very dramatic on me. And it's something I need to get used to, kind of like nude lipsticks. These aren't bad. I think they're a little dramatic for myself personally. Maybe this is because it's my first time wearing false lashes. I don't really know. They do feel a little heavy on my eyelids. I know that sounds a little strange, but I feel like there's definitely something on there. And then the Jante Bleu eyeliner, it wasn't terrible. I did think it was a little flimsy maybe, because like I was just applying it like right here and then it broke. So I was like, okay, that was quick. And I know I really wasn't applying much pressure onto it. Oh, I didn't do a swatch. You see how the sparkles just look, it looks good on the swatch, but when like, well, I can't tell right now because of my false lashes, but it looked like there was dust. It looked like there was dust or dandruff on my eyes, so that kind of bothered me. Like the sparkles aren't as prominent on the lower lash line than they were on the eyelid. I normally like a nice matte black eyeliner. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like unboxings, hauls, BoxyCharm, tutorials, makeup, Cover FX, Luxie, any of these wonderful brands that I mentioned. Please make sure you're subscribed before you leave, and I will see you in the next video.